So we are going to revise beta all the grammar topics quickly. First is types of tenses. As you have already read, there are three types of tenses: present, past, and future. Further, these are divided into simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Past is further divided into four kinds: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And then future is also divided into four types: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Now, on the next slide, you can see the rules of all the tenses: present tense, progressive form is also called continuous tense. कंटिन्यूस टेंस को हम प्रोग्रेसिव फॉर्म भी कहते हैं. इन दिस वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज एम आर अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट, then first form of verb ing, and if I talk about past, then I will just replace helping verbs, which will be was were, first form of verb ing, and if I talk about future, then will be plus first form of verb ing. Now coming to perfect form, in present perfect, has have plus third form of verb. In past perfect, we use had plus third form of verb, and in future perfect, we use will have plus third form of verb. And if I talk about perfect progressive form, means perfect continuous tense, then in present perfect continuous, has have been. Has have will the use of has and have will depend upon the subject. Has have plus been, first form of verb ing. In past perfect continuous tense, had been plus first form of verb ing, and in future continuous tense, will have been plus first form of verb plus ing. So this is how we do tenses using these rules. Next topic is voice. In voice, I have already told you 5-step formula. First step is to identify the subject, object, and verb. In second step, we swap subject to object and object to subject. Then form of verb is changed into V3, means third form of verb. We add helping verb plus main verb plus preposition by is added, and then we write subject. So this 5-step formula I've already taught you for voice, that how do we change voice. Now on this slide, you can see the rules for all the types of voice. Simple present tense में first form of verb होती है, and then how to change passive of it using is mr plus third form of verb. Present continuous में is mr plus first form of verb होता है बेटा in active voice, and when we change it to passive, it becomes is mr being, being, being plus third form of verb. And then present perfect tense में has have taken, means has have plus third form of verb, and in passive voice it becomes has have been plus third form of verb, right? And then again coming to present, a simple past, second form of verb होता है active voice में, and when it becomes passive we use was were plus third form of verb. Past continuous में was were plus ing form of verb होता है, but when it becomes passive, was were being, being, being plus third form of verb. And then past perfect, active में had plus third form of verb, passive में had been हो जाता है plus third form of verb. Simple future, will shall plus first form of verb, and when we talk about passive, it becomes will shall be plus third form of verb, right? And we can't make passive voice of perfect continuous tenses. Now moving further, we are talking about pronouns. As you know, first person, second person, third person, pronouns की बात करते हैं हम. Then it is pronoun cases: subjective case और ऑब्जेक्टिव केस एंड पोजेसिव केस. सब्जेक्टिव में आपको पता है नॉमिनेटिव केस होता है. सब्जेक्टिव केस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड नॉमिनेटिव केस, वेयर प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड एज अ सब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्टिव केस क्या है? वेयर प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट बिकम्स ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. एंड पोजेसिव में आपको पता है हर्स, देयर्स, हिम, वेयर इट शोज पोजेशन, राइट? So this is the table in front of you: subjective case of pronouns, objective case of pronouns, and possessive case of pronouns. Next, moving further, See, here are examples. Now here, she has come late. Now she is a pronoun which is worked as a subject, right? And Raman called her. But when we use she in objective case, it becomes her, right? And in possessive case, it will be this cap is hers. So here on the screen, you can see all the three examples of cases of pronoun: subjective case, objective case, and possessive. Then moving further, we'll talk about question framing, which is a type of questions. किस तरह के होते हैं? दो तरह के, WH questions and the questions starting with helping verb. So the question which start with WH, so WH questions जो हैं, they start with WH words: which, why, who, whose, whom, and then the verbs, questions starting with helping verb: is, am, are, was, were, as you already know. Now, when we frame questions, we use quasum method. Quasum means QU stands for question, A stands for auxiliary, S stands for subject, and M stands for main verb. This pattern we follow when we want to frame questions. Now, moving further, we have question tags. That how to add question tags. Now, what is a question tag? First of all, let me ask you. So it is a small question at the end. So what is a question tag? It is a small question at the end of a sentence which we ask to the listener for his confirmation, right? So how do we add question tag? The rule is to add contractions, add contracted forms. We don't write isn't, it is not, it is isn't. So one thing which you need to keep in mind is, if our sentence is positive, question tag is negative. If our sentence is negative, question tag is positive. Contractions are used, and then we put comma and question mark at the end, and first alphabet after comma should be small. These are a few points which you need to keep in mind when we frame or when we add question tag. I hope that these topics, the quick revision or recap of these topics, has reminded you of all the concepts and the elaborated rules which we have discussed in our class.